Hello, and welcome to another update video about BNB. Yeah, price is moving down nicely at the moment in line with expectations so far. You will remember that in previous videos we highlighted here potential short trade area or resistance area. Price reacted to it in this B wave, touched it actually. The 50% FIB level here was touched. And we're coming down now in this C wave of what I believe is a wave 3. I did say to you before, it is technically possible that this here was a 3, this was a 4, and we're already in the wave 5, but actually quite happy that I did it this way because this looks like this currently looks like the C wave from you know, looking at the length and everything. Within the C wave, then a nice 5-wave move. And at the moment, the expectations are, I actually need to, no, that's fine. Expectations are for price to head down lower. Next target, as already communicated in the last few videos, $203. I think we should be getting there. That's the last swing low that was made on the 22nd of August. I don't expect price to stop there. So if we get there, yeah, we might get a bounce, maybe in this wave 4. But eventually it should move down lower in the 5th wave. And I highlighted this target range from, you know, $200 to $184 before, and we should be getting there. The thing is, we will be able to specify that further once we have the wave 4 top in place. Even now, I mean, what is the ideal target? What's the ideal target for the C wave? So we can take the length of the A wave, then we go to the B wave top, and the very first target is the $203 level, right? The 1-to-1 ratio. So, I mean, the very first target was the 61.8 extension level. I think we talked about that in the last video, but I never really trust the 61.8 extension. It's a little too short for a C wave. It is sometimes a level that is addressed and that the price respects. Solana is doing that sometimes. You know, some coins like to do that more than others, but the 1-to-1 ratio is really the key level here. And that's the next target. And below that level, I mean, this can still stretch out further, right? If the C wave wants to, it can extend to the $194 level, the 1.618 extension. Then we get a 4 and a 5. I have provisionally added a resistance level onto the chart. And my view is that price can go down lower, yeah, at the moment in the C wave, as long as price stays below $211. So this would be resistance. That means price can do anything in here, bounce a little bit up and down, but as long as we are below $211 or $211.60, price should follow through to the downside in a still unfolding C wave. Yeah, and so there is no change really. Just a quick update here, as a lot of volatility today in the market. Good to see finally price break out of these ranges. This was extremely boring up here as well. But you will remember that from previous videos, quite pleased that we saw eventually a nice 3-wave structure in the B wave. This all looked corrective anyway, but this is now very clearly 3-wave-like, and the price is coming down in this C wave now, which looks impulsive. And I mean, another micro count within the C wave, that's where it's getting a bit tricky now. What I'm thinking is that this might have been, it looks a bit like that, a leading diagonal in the wave 1 of C. So, I mean, this is getting then to really ridiculous micro counts, but to show you 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, this would be a wave 1, okay? Then a very shallow wave 2 here, and possible 3rd wave of the C wave unfolding right now. Yeah, so obviously still sort of in the middle of the drop, pretty much in line with what Bitcoin is doing right now. That's my update about BNB. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. If you're interested in the membership, on Sunday, every Sunday, we do a weekly live stream. It's always educational as well. In addition to that, you get additional market updates, yeah, in between videos as a gold member. Silver and gold members also get access to the chat rooms, educational material, lots of additional content. So check it out. And if not, then maybe you can just leave a like, subscribe, leave a comment. Thanks a lot. Bye-bye.